having lunch with Izzy Zami today. So let's take their boxes or rather gifts. I have a bunch of stuff around here. We're just gonna show y'all and everything was just so cute. But first, for your eyes when you sleep, IMOS situation describes, you know, almost like Maugaza or episode and then you have to so this will protect my gaze. And obviously all the girls need a mirror and a comb. I get what I think it's Google 8 years now, so it should be. And then some flowers I will just add on top. After these classes that we're gonna wear on the day after we've done our makeup. So it'll be cute. And I've got personalized gowns. Okay, let's open the gowns so y'all can see. They're so cute, love them. The writing behind, I was like, so this one is Oretus. So Oreti love hashtag I am love because that is the hashtag we're using for my mineral. Alright, let's start. Oh, I forgot. I want my girlies to be international girlies, catch flights, not feelings and stuff. So I got them the passport covers as well. Yeah, that is everything. Let's pack these gift boxes together. Okay, so gonna put this is more box inside. We can have these. I don't know what this is for. Hey, just bought it because I see people buying it and it's cute. So stashing this quickly. Okay, that's enough. And then this is a gown, my doll, and I put it here. This is the belt for the gown, the mirror, and the comb inside here. The hairband inside here. The eyemasks inside here. And the scraps inside here. Righty. This is then just come closer. We're gonna put it in here like so. Where's her passport cover? This is her passport cover. Yeah, this is and her trousers. Yeah. See? I'm done, but it's too big. I think this. Okay, let me do this quickly. Righty. Very busy, I get into more shots.
because I have always been feeling like Black Rock. Because I see them, so I live. Before so get them go is to be go. Yeah. Intro against the hands. Good day, man. Okay, Tommy Day.
Thank you. I was Carissa, guys. That was taking down. This is all that Tommy.
Yay. You learned to see. So, something like this is to say thank you for being part of my releases. It was supposed to be a proposal, but saying over I was job king and then Zumba shooting day every day. So shall you welcome something? So as I must say, something you took. Guys, and everything she's able say so okay, say but I trust you guys, hence you are here because they're not people. Because I'm mambo no already to was a stream and I will soon. I know you're gonna have fun, you're gonna enjoy. I pray. You all deserving to all the time. Yeah, if you look at my friend from childhood, Sakura, Namandu, holding it down. When I get home. I haven't seen but when I don't downplay your shine, you always downplay your shine, and that sometimes annoys me. Alright, this girl, you know how far you can go if you could just be brave to explore and do 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so I can TikTok, but use it to your advantage. I'm happy now that you're doing some promo stuff, but I know what's happening greater and more beautiful things. Mama will say, guys. So also ifundela iqedwe isikole ayabasithi asebenze right, we're speaking blessings over impilo yalo uNkulunkulu ambusise all the time amvikele futhi bafethu kakhulu nje ngimhlupha nobaba bami ngiyangipha-ke mina Nkosi yami emhlangeni nangazi nokuthi kuphathwa iverse lapho indishi ngihlala lapho nokuthi kunamanzi or awekho imvunulo ikhona right. I don't care okhona okuncane umphako ukhona kungakhi Nkosi yami ngiyahamba. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for taking care of me. I'm grown now. I'm a big girl now. And ungaboni ngathi into encane leyo because if ukwazi ukuthi with your hands nangothando lakho izinto engafethu siyakhona. So ayikho into encane umuntu ayenzayo bese kuba ukuthi hayi into nje encanyana. It's big, it's huge. Ne? Also ithalente lakho angeke ukuthi asisebenzisa manje. Akuthungweke manje. Akudinga kudla ikotini nje. Asithole ingopho-ke manje, akuthiwa ama-award-ke manje. Ayidluleli ke sema-award. Because it was quite late. Sasikhulile. Wathi nje ayandazonkonxa ngiyathi mina ngokonqela. Hayibo, kanjani man? And then from there we rocked it out. Thank you. Matsotetse fethu. Ayilewani-ke naye have i-sensitive, have igada, have she's very attentive to things as well. Friends, ngiyabona push business sake. Ngiyathanda lo shino because that business like now thenga order by 3 ngelanga or maybe you did something. I'm just glad because each and every one of us here we're really doing something for ourselves and I think that's all it takes ukuthi uqale noma ngabe uqala into encane noma enkulu. But exactly. Ekugcineni kosuku you know your goal, you know your vision, uyazi ukuthi uyazi. so ngisho uNkulunkulu angivusisele wena mfethu uhlale neheart matso mfethu Tade wami guys yena-ke edobile ngathi Newcastle hamba shapa ama-varsity and stuff umsebenzi and stuff we met through uLaxhoxho. I think it was the camp first time I see you. That was 2020 I think 21 somewhere there. Hi guys ngini yena mina ngivule Newcastle nje nayize nolasi beyi group I joined with you. I think at some point did I sleep with you? No, someone always. But we spent so much time together. We gelled. We rocked it up from that day, and from that day, we never forgot that. Now I'm fine again. I've been giving through. What are you guys? I can't I'm so blessed. Everywhere I go, I find sisterhood. I'm always blessed because I have people I can always count on, people that I know genuinely love and care for me. I have people that it's one call away. Guys, I get a few peg a minute, go real and a court right, she bands that. You know what? I'll call it a day. It's fine. No matter 12 she has a sweet, beautiful, big heart. I've been with her and like I've been with her phone and her straight. She's very street. She's very street. She's very street, but you know, handle all cool on man. So thank you, Daddy. You're an amazing sister, not only to you, to your sisters as well, to everyone around your life, to your family, to your colleagues as well. She treats her colleagues with so much love and respect. I wish you go to Umpad in the lab. She's so humble. Yes, she's so humble, and for that. Let's be humble. Sit down. Sit down. Let's be humble. I want you to have call action. Yeah, we'll go over. But I don't think you're going to hey, but the band. Put one man, but I don't somebody angry. But I want to say something because I know what I'm going to or bully kissing. I don't feel you never above any person. So for a reason. So no matter what. So yeah, guys, let's love and lead each other. From the primary guys. Yeah, no, the two of us are the young every day I haven't given for I think that I'm trying to selling in 7 ay tabulete ay yabona usayisuka nemfone sabi ngicela oh yes and sometimes ngiyabona ukuthi ulele okay mano yes manje guys ngiyamhlukuza ngiyamhlukuza uyakazi ukuthi awukhohlwani ekhaya iwela ngikhona noma ngiphi umama ubhesikathandi guys by the way my friend tell bestie I'm like oh Usabe has a relationship with my family outside of me.
That's amazing.
Uzomtext uThabi uzomthuma uThabi nokuthi wankazi osedrobhe no ngizwe sengizwe umama sethi hawe yazi uThabi ngiphathele incwadi zeyibhanga. I'm like oh okay uThabi ujanjani even unqo no don't worry uThabi uzokuthengela into yankazi ngithumela usuyisile ekhaya ngikhona ngikho uyakwenza irregardless without even nanitsheleni ukuthi hawu namhlanje ngoma nini athi besekhaya sibengiyobona nomama naye yasho ngikhuluma nothi ba-check-ani ama-check up on each other ngingekho and I'm glad ukuthi umama found a daughter. I have a Tina. Okay guys, you can open your gifts. Okay, let's go. 3 I was saying what I 3, 2, 1, let's open. What's that? Baby, on time, are you crying?
I wish I could scream right now.
Oh my God, it has my name.
And your last.
Oh, ipasipoti isizoba nesikhwama.
Here's my list of my names. Oh my God. It's called myself passport. Okay, guys. Lolozi, Lolozi sazo personalize yezo yakho because bebengena amasazi abantu abadala.
Oh my God.
Okay, guys. Sazo so lad. Ngifuna sibe ne kids exactly. So, Turkish.